A review of member pain points, the support they require and the extent of that support, and how Beyond Procurement adds significant value to FSB membership. It is recognized that FSB members have a degree of frustration dealing with common overheads and the brokers that continually approach them. In supporting the FSB, we believe that together we need to address the following common pain points. 1. Markets are confusing and no business owner can be an expert in every required service. 2. Energy is a complex commodity and affected by so many global variables. 3. As a significant cost to most members, this volatility presents increasing risk and uncertainty. 4. Energy providers add an extra layer of confusion by presenting options in varying formats. 5. With brokers focused on their own commissions rather than the best renewable rates, we are seeing limited renewable energy options presented to members. Energy is a member's entire scope too. This is therefore very important in carbon measurement and reduction. 6. Generally, members are time poor and don't have the time to invest in searching for the very best green market rates. 7. As a result, contracts can be poorly managed, and we see a high percentage on off-contract rates, wasting a significant amount of money each year. 8. The market is saturated with brokers with varying integrity. Talking to members, some state that they get several calls a week, all pitching the very best market deal. 9. As such, a lack of trust has grown around brokers, especially in the energy sector. 10. With any service provider, members are at the mercy of their support desks, and with many critical services being provided, there is no central support or advice service. 11. When a broker is involved. Focus is generally on energy rates. It's worth acknowledging that a broker makes more commissions the more energy a member uses. Therefore, energy monitoring and reduction is not the primary focus. Energy generally forms 20 to 25% of each member's carbon footprint. It is its entire Scope 2 category and key area for member improvement. Energy is critical for every member, and the advice and support that needs to be available should go far beyond just the procurement. In supporting FSB members, there needs to be a clear understanding of all market rates, from fully renewable to standard brown energy. This will allow members to make an informed decision and understand not just the cost, but also the environmental impact. Specialist advice and support is needed to cover both cost and carbon emissions. As a high-risk volatile commodity, it's important that market knowledge, trends and influences are understood. Additional support needs to be provided, such as for local energy generation, which can be in the form of solar or wind turbines. Payback periods are shortening due to energy rates increasing, and also technology is continually improving. Grants are becoming increasingly available. There are also alternative options to upfront purchase. Power purchase agreements can be negotiated when a member's roof can be leased to another who will install their own equipment and sell the energy to the member at a lower than grid rate. Electric vehicles can help where appropriate, and there is employee salary sacrifice schemes available. Support with these and charge points need to be provided to members considering this option. A lot of energy is used in lighting and heating. Technology is increasingly improving in these areas, and advice and consolidated purchasing will provide great benefit to members. But there is more support needed. Energy bills show usage patterns at the high level. With the provision of energy monitoring devices, this can be undertaken at the equipment level. This varies in sophistication from intelligent plugs to full clip on sensor systems. The purpose is intelligence and awareness. Inefficient equipment or even behaviors will cost a business a great deal of money. Support in this area for those that need can make significant savings in energy usage and carbon emissions, and incentives are increasing for green technology. However, grants and support vary by local authority, and assistance is always required by members looking to acquire funding for new technology. We believe this should be included in the support offered. To address member pain points, we believe that a partnership between Beyond Procurement and the FSB will create a market-leading and award-winning package of valuable member support, which is an exciting prospect that we are fully behind. Just briefly, a bit about Beyond Procurement and our passion. For nearing 2 decades, we have delivered over 300 national projects with over 100 membership organizations. We have helped and supported tens of thousands of members and proudly identified over £9.5 million in savings so far. We provide commodity expertise in energy, telecoms, IT, waste management, insurance, water, merchant fees and pest control. And we are passionate experts helping UK businesses reduce their carbon footprints. We have designed and built a holistic suite of services that are focused on addressing member pain points, covering not just a short-term cost view, but also taking a future-proofing emissions perspective. We understand and respect that members want advice and support when they need it, not sales calls when they're trying to run their businesses. Together, the FSB and Beyond Procurement can provide a suite of services and support that will not only appeal to every member, but attract new members. We welcome the opportunity to explore further a collaboration between our two parties, both focused on providing exceptional value to members. A suggestion could potentially be a bespoke version of our new Green Toolbox. The Green Toolbox is designed as a central online portal that provides members with access to the very best market rates, green suppliers, exclusive discounts, advice, and when there's an issue, which there always is in business, instant specialist support, all from carbon-conscious suppliers. Overhead contracts all managed in a central place. The FSB will be able to address each member's current cost reduction needs, along with their future carbon reduction requirements. The tool then helps each member calculate its own carbon footprint and generate a PAS 2060 compliant carbon reduction report, ensuring that they satisfy larger clients' requests, local authority compliance, and increasing public scrutiny. We believe that working together is not only the best option for FSB members, it's a great opportunity for both our businesses to create a market-leading model, all while protecting the planet.